Why are you sad?
What did they have butter in the leaf?
There's no butter in our list, Sammy.
I want butter. We eating bread without butter. I like butter. People like it if you don't want to allow me. You ain't done.
Want to say anything?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Because today just the best thing. I want that surprise me with a new brand surprise me and my brother with my sister with a new brand new phone
Aww.
for YouTube. I cannot believe this.
You cannot believe it, but it's happening.
I can't believe it.
Don't cry.
This time I feel like crying.
Don't cry. Where you push, you gotta meet daddy to help you and unbox.
Okay.
Why are you running up and down? Go, Joe.
I'm doing it with it.
You put after unboxing, you now test it and use it and vlog.
Which video are you going to use it?
You tell them that you are currently vlogging with your new phone,
And
then it's only on weekends that it will be available for vlogging.
Mommy.
That's what daddy said.
Tomorrow, we are closing school.
I know.
So you can have time to video there. So if you video closing school tomorrow. Yes.
Yes. Let's see your new phone.
September.
Oh no! Don't open it.
Daddy's out.
See the children.
Daddy, Mom made a surprise for us to write out a new brand new phone for our video.
You guys like it, right?
Yes.
Is it here? You push sugar and unbox now.
Okay.
What?
I will go to the parlor. Hold on, I'm coming.
Hello. I'm surprised. I want to cry.
Don't cry.
Wait. What's the name?
But men still cry.
Yes.
Men still cry, even when they are filled with emotions. They should not bottle it up because it will affect them. Stop. That one is fake cry. That one is fake.
What they call it? There's something like real cry.
That is yeah.
Let's see again.
The people is just depending on
You think about something good for both of you.
yes, about the phone.
So say now say if you get you guys this one. So that you have good quality camera in your videos.
Oppo.
You don't like it?
I like it. A9 is enough. Oppo
Are you
A9.
serious? No, this one is better.
Oppo A9.
Don't worry, we're going to be rocking our channels with all of us. We're going to be rocking it.
Oh, so you people are no longer among my channel. I don't understand.
Mommy,
And I'm here doing cameraman for you people.
I'm on your channel, please.
We're going to be rocking
In fact,
this.
anyone
I
that
am almost
has
testing.
I'm on their channel.
Yeah. So that we're going to be testing our
Own channel.
own channel with good cameras. Wow.
That is it.
Oh,
Wow.
Show that.
how are you done?
Look at the charger. Look at this thing. Look at the
Are
back
you
of
serious?
the back of the back of the phone. The pad of it.
You guys will be using Android phone now for the camera.
I'm using Android. Oh, what?
So this one is more better.
You want to compare that your phone? This one will buy your phone 5.
One more.
This one buy 6.
6, 7. More than
This one will buy 6 of your phone.
One more of this.
Don't you know
It's the manual.
it's bigger than that your phone. It's the phone's manual.
This one will buy that your phone 6.
This is very shiny. What's the password?
Don't worry, you will see the difference now.
What? Is that password?
Oh,
Oh, it carried and load.
no.
Mommy.
Wow.
No.
This is good.
This is so good. I can't stop hugging you. Wait, did Daddy help you?
Yes, now he's the one that helped me.
It's okay. I'm happy that you guys love
Why
it.
did you add other things here? And
It's just a new phone. And
so you have to
Daddy will be the one to set it up.
I'll set it for you guys. Bring it, let me see.
so delete because I'm not involved.
That's what you.
That YouTube there is not YouTube Kids, so he's going to delete that
I'm going
one.
to configure the phone for you guys and
Delete it.
make it for.
Take YouTube play for my phone.
Yes, and put it.
I'm not involved. And also for family link.
See this one. Family link. As if he likes the family link.
No.
You don't like it.
He does not like family link because I monitor everything he does with his phone.
Mommy,
Any app he downloads, I will know.
Sammy,
from my own phone.
I don't think you are not
Into this phone.
One boy say that.
I want to send your wedding picture into this phone.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh.
There's no space.
Go and plug the place
Let's see.
to see our new phone.
My phone will crash. Mommy.
Wow.
All of it.
So now you will not see the difference very soon. You know that your phone is smaller.
Let's challenge. Bring my phone and
Okay, you guys should do your intro with this one.
yes, then do my.
What?
Yes. Turn on the camera.
82 plus 75.
Okay.
Babe, are you trying to set it?
My camera is.
If you can't, you give Oloma. Them that use that are computer age should know better.
Iron age.
I'm just so happy I can stop hugging.
Stop hugging me, this boy.
I don't know if you show Canada size.
The hug is okay, Sammy. You've hugged me enough. Do you want to give me back the money if I tell you how much?
How much do you people just buy?
Yes. Do you want to pay me back the money I used in buying it?
No, just how much did you people buy it?
10 naira.
Hi, God forbid. Before like this can never be 10 naira.
Oh, you know it's expensive, right?
How much?
That's why I love you. You appreciate little things. To be an emotional person is not a crime. But emotional people are the strongest people. People that cry easily are very strong. Yes.
Just like me.
Emotional people are the strongest in heart. You don't know?
Yes.
People that cry easily are the people with the most strongest heart. Go and research it. But you see those people that don't cry, they have weaker hearts because they cry in their hearts.
Yes. If someone
Yes,
hits
now.
them, they'll just hold their cry. And if the person leaves the way, they'll just.
Yes, they'll break down in tears.
Come again.
Me,
Yeah.
I said emotional people are the strongest in heart.
Okay.
Yes. But those people that you think they are strong
If you leave
because they don't cry, like you don't see their tears. As in because they are not stone-hearted. Serious. The only when you see an emotional person do something or zero their mind, for you to change their mind is very difficult. But you see those people that cry easily. Once they say they've had it. But you see those people that cry or that don't cry at all, they can have a change of mind multiple times. Yes. That's why people take emotional people's tears as their weakness. You think they are weak until when when something that will make them act happens. Emotional people are very strong people. I'm serious.
like me.
Ogewa.
Not me.
Who does not know that you are very stone-hearted?
Mommy like me, right?
Not me.
Danny is an emotional person.
What about me?
Sammy is not too emotional.
Why I cry in school very well.
Sammy is not. What's it, but I cry in school? Is it by crying in school? Daddy is not an emotional person.
Mommy is an
So
emotional
his
person.
heart is stone-hearted.
Mommy is an emotional person. Yes, got you cry.
Oloma bụ onye obi akpọ. Ndị YouTube, Oloma bụ onye obi akpọ. Ọ sị I can cry yo. You people should not make me laugh this evening.
Yeah, you
Sammy that cries at every little thing. Cry, cry, baby.
cry, baby. You want to see your mommy.
Babe, are you trying to help them configure? Please do. So you people should come and film your intro for this video. We didn't even film intro. I just surprised you guys. Come and film your intro for this video and that's
Be
it.
here for